I'm Ruben.
Hey guys.
Hi, Jordan. Oh my God.
How's your day?
Oh my.
I'm not fine. Why?
Why?
I'm struggle with calculus. I'm taking extra tutoring season to improve my understanding. It's challenging, but I'm determined to get better.
Oh my God. You did very well.
What do you want to do? What?
Last semester, I studied hard for my math exam, and I spent hours to practicing math problems.
Oh.
And I got an A.
Oh wow.
That's it. Wow.
Good. Right.
How do you do?
Oh, how do you do? Okay, next week I'm preparing to my project sciences and I'm going to research. Renewable energy source and I create presentation for the class.
Wow.
I had struggle before.
Oh, why?
Teacher announced the deadline.
Oh my God.
I had already completed most of my research. I had worked on it weeks ago because I didn't want to rush.
Well, you did it very well. But guys, this is the last year of us, and I will have to graduate with honors, and I've been so working hard about that, and I'm confident I will have achieved my goal. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, it's a goal.
Anyway, the bell is ringing. Let's go to
Okay.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Go.